in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Divatress.com. Today's unit comes from the brand Janet collection, but I think it's from their MyBelle series collection. I'm not really sure. The name of the unit is called MyBelle Raquel, and I got her in the color Turmeric. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions on this unit, of course, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. Let's get into this install. Okay, so this is how this unit is looking right now, and based off of the stock card, it looks exactly the same. I can't lie, on the stock card it's giving auntie, and on my head right now it's giving very much so auntie. And you know that auntie, the one that's at every family function, that's always like, you know how to play spades, baby? Yeah, her. That's not me right now. I don't even know how to play spades. But no. I absolutely love the color of this unit, but I do want to see if I can make it a little bit more youthful looking. So let's cross our fingers. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Janet collection. The cap construction is your typical cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 being in the back, the other 2 being in the front. It also comes with adjustable straps. As far as lace is concerned, there is no lace, so therefore she is a beginner's dream. As far as the stock card is concerned, it doesn't really say too much on it. On the back, there are care instructions for if you want to shampoo and condition the unit, so you can check that out. I've never shampooed or conditioned a synthetic unit, but I know you can. The only other thing it says on the stock card is that this unit can take heat up to, I want to say it's 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't put any heat on this unit, so therefore I cannot say yay or nay to whether or not if it will take the heat. But personally, I don't think I would try 360 degrees on a synthetic unit. I would do 200, maybe 250 max. Now let's go ahead and talk about tangling and shedding. I don't really expect this unit to tangle because she is a shorter unit, but as far as shedding goes, she was shedding straight out of the pack. I didn't get too many hairs, but I got enough to where I felt like it needed to be spoken about. Now let's move on to the sizing of this cap. I don't necessarily want to say that it's big head friendly, but I also don't want to say that it's too small either. For me, it's fitting me very comfortably, but I do have the adjustable straps on the very end. I don't know, I feel like if the cap was like the tiniest bit smaller, then it might be squeezing, but currently it is fitting me comfortably. So I guess I would say that she's about average size friendly. Now let's talk about the color of this unit. This unit is offered in a variety of colors, and of course I'll pop it up here on the screen. I did get the turmeric color, and I got this color because of course it's everywhere right now. It is the fall/winter season, and so you cannot go anywhere without seeing this unit, or not this unit, this color. But I will say, when I got this unit in person, I feel like it's so much better. I feel like on the stock card it just pretty much shows like a reddish orangish color, but in person it has like this reddish orangish color as like the main color, and then it has like these slight highlights of like a yellow orangish tint, and then the base is a 1B. So I don't know, to me it's giving. I feel like this unit would be really pretty in a 1B or a 2 as well, but I am someone who loves me a good bob or pixie cut, or just a short cut in a natural color. So yeah. Next, let's talk about how I styled this unit. To me, I feel like the way that I styled it compared to how it looks on the stock card, compared to how it's meant to be worn, I feel like this is more of a youthful look. It's giving me early 90s, like I'm supposed to be in a girl group. I keep looking to the side because I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I feel like I'm cute, I'm not gonna lie. But to me, it fits me more this way than it did how it's supposed to come. But if you are someone who likes it how it comes, I do feel like it's a versatile unit, just because, I mean, if I wanted to, I could like push it all back to the side. Now I did cut off a little bit of hair, but it wasn't too much hair to where it should make a difference of how it came, if that makes sense. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Divatress.com, she does retail for $16.99, and that's across the board. So even for specialty colors like this one, it is $16.99. That is a steal. Overall, I feel like everyone needs this unit in their collection. I mean, let's be real, it's beginner friendly, it's slightly versatile, and on top of that, it's extremely affordable. So I only see wins. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.